Here we go. Kaya? Ne? Friday afternoon. Kaize? Wash? Ne? No. Yeah, when we were on the other side of the road, she was eating grass and trying to throw up, you know, bile throw up, but she wasn't successful. So yeah, I don't know. Yesterday I cooked for her, so she got offal and carrots and barley. Ate like crazy. The same thing happened in the morning. Ate everything, treats, and then she apparently spent the whole day outside on the yard, because as you can see, we have a nice day. Sunny, plus 14. Pridna Lizi, lepo. So it was a nice day. And it was a nice day because it was first Friday, and then we are off. See, Lizzie? Pazi. We don't have to go to work for the next 2 weeks. So yeah, my mandatory yearly vacation period. You know, you have to take 2 weeks in one piece once per year according to the law. So yeah, here we are. Tomorrow, unfortunately, on Liza's birthday, we are expecting bad weather. Hopefully only in the afternoon. My plan was for tomorrow to go to Mr. Pet to get some toys for her, some extra treats. Yeah, we will see. Plus, yeah, today in the morning I woke up a little bit under the weather. There is some sort of bug virus going on. Several of co-workers are, let's say, under the weather. So yeah. Okay, tuki grieva. Oh, so yeah. Well, I already have some extra treats for her, the big ones, so we are covered, even though even if it's raining tomorrow already in the morning. But yeah. So as I said, today we can go on Liza's favorite route for afternoon walk, and hopefully tomorrow to Mr. Pet. Oh yeah, quite a nice weather after a couple of days of rain. You know, this is nice. Like yesterday it was raining on and off. We had like 15 minutes of such sunny weather before it started to rain again. It was raining throughout the night. Here in Ljubljana it was raining, let's say, okay, nothing major, but to the west, so the Vipava river valley was once again flooded, so river was flooding at the usual spots. That was the news coverage. The river Vipava is flooding at usual spots. Oh yeah, chestnuts. Not the right one. Yeah, and plus the wind was pretty high, apparently 100 plus kilometers per hour. So yeah, here not so much. So yeah, we have to enjoy this nice weather. Yeah, and Lisa, you know, when I came home, she was once again like, nope, I'm not coming in, I'm staying outside. And then basically she heard me that I'm walking down the stairs. She was up and ready for the walk. Oh yeah. Okay, we will end at this point.